Welcome back to Home Cooking and Home Remedies, the podcast where we explore the hidden power of simple foods and remedies. Today, let's talk about something so ordinary that it's easy to overlook, the egg. Think for a moment. How many memories do you have connected to eggs? Maybe it's your mother making anda paratha on a Sunday morning, or your father whisking eggs for French toast before school. Maybe it's the smell of omelets from a street vendor, or the sound of cracking shells in your kitchen. Eggs are universal. From Asia to Europe, Africa to the Americas, they appear in every cuisine and every tradition. But here's the paradox, this humble food has also been one of the most debated. For decades, eggs were blamed for high cholesterol, heart disease, and weight gain. Some said, eat only the whites, throw away the yolk. Others swore by eating multiple eggs a day. Amidst all this confusion, one truth stands clear: science today recognizes eggs as one of nature's most complete and affordable sources of nutrition. So in this episode, we'll crack open the mystery behind the egg. We'll explore 10 science-backed benefits that range from muscle strength to brain power, skin to bones. We'll bust a few myths, discuss safety precautions, and finally, I'll share some simple egg-based recipes you can try at home. By the end, you'll see why this fragile shell has nourished humanity for thousands of years and why it continues to be called the incredible egg. Benefit 1. Complete protein powerhouse. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you're building a house. You need bricks, cement, wood, and iron. Now imagine your body building muscles, repairing tissues, and producing hormones. What does it need? Protein, the raw building blocks of life. One egg provides about 6 to 7 grams of protein, but here's the key: it's complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids, the ones your body cannot make by itself. This is why the World Health Organization often uses eggs as a reference point when comparing protein quality in other foods. If you're an athlete, a student pulling all-nighters, or someone recovering from illness, this matters. Protein is not just about muscles, it's about every cell, every enzyme, every hormone your body produces. And eggs deliver it in a form your body absorbs almost perfectly. Fun fact: in hospitals, boiled eggs are often part of recovery diets because they're gentle on the stomach yet packed with nutrition. That's why people recovering from surgery or infections are given boiled eggs. It's medicine disguised as food. Benefit 2. Brain booster, choline. Now let's talk about the yolk, the part many people fear. Hidden in that golden center is choline, a nutrient so essential that without it, your brain and nervous system couldn't function properly. Choline is the building block of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps with memory, focus, and learning. It's also crucial for building healthy cell membranes. Yet, studies show that nearly 90% of people don't get enough choline in their diet. This is especially important during pregnancy. Research from Cornell University found that mothers who consumed more choline had babies with better cognitive development. Think about that, something as small as an egg yolk can influence a child's future learning ability. So when you eat an egg, you're not just filling your stomach. You're literally feeding your brain. That's why I like to call eggs brain fuel in a shell. Benefit 3. Eye protection, lutein and zeaxanthin. Let me ask you, how many hours a day do you spend looking at screens? Phones, laptops, TVs? Our eyes are constantly bombarded with blue light, which speeds up eye strain and damage. Egg yolks contain 2 magical pigments, lutein and zeaxanthin. They act like built-in sunglasses, protecting the retina from harmful rays and filtering out high-energy light. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that people who ate eggs daily had higher levels of these antioxidants in their blood, and they experienced fewer problems with macular degeneration, a leading cause of blindness in older adults. So while we all say carrots are good for the eyes, remember this: eggs protect your eyes in a way carrots can't, because these pigments are better absorbed from eggs than from vegetables. Benefit 4. Heart health and cholesterol myth. Now, let's crack the biggest myth of all, cholesterol. For years, eggs were accused of being dangerous for the heart. Doctors said, 1 egg a day will clog your arteries. Supermarkets sold cartons shouting cholesterol-free substitutes. And millions of people threw away yolks. But science has changed the verdict. Numerous studies, including large meta-analyses, show that for most healthy people, eating eggs does not significantly raise blood cholesterol. Instead, eggs actually increase HDL, the good cholesterol, which cleans out arteries. Yes, eggs contain cholesterol. But dietary cholesterol doesn't automatically become blood cholesterol. The real culprits for heart disease are trans fats, processed junk food, and excess sugar, not your humble egg. So if you've been avoiding yolks out of fear, relax. For most people, 1 to 2 eggs daily is not only safe but beneficial. Benefit 5. Weight management. Imagine 2 breakfasts. In the first, you grab a sweet pastry with tea. It tastes good, but within an hour your stomach growls again. In the second, you eat 2 boiled eggs with a slice of whole wheat bread. Hours later, you're still satisfied, focused, and not reaching for snacks. This is not magic, it's science. Eggs are high in protein and healthy fats, which slow digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and suppress ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry. A clinical study published in the International Journal of Obesity showed that people who ate eggs for breakfast lost 65% more weight than those who ate bagels, even though both meals had the same calories. Eggs aren't a crash diet food, they're a long-term tool for appetite control. That's why they appear in so many diets: keto, paleo, intermittent fasting. They naturally reduce cravings and make healthy eating sustainable. So, if you've struggled with snacking and portion control, starting your day with eggs could be a quiet game changer. Benefit 6. Skin and hair health. In many South Asian and Middle Eastern households, mothers and grandmothers had a beauty secret: egg masks. Apply egg white to oily skin for tightening, or yolk for dry skin nourishment. Rub beaten egg on hair, and you'll see shine and strength. These remedies have survived generations because they work. Why? Because eggs are rich in biotin, protein, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Biotin supports keratin production, which strengthens hair and nails. Protein rebuilds damaged tissue, while vitamin A keeps skin moist and prevents dryness. Vitamin E is a natural antioxidant that protects skin from aging and sun damage. A deficiency in biotin often shows up as brittle nails and hair loss, and eggs provide one of the best natural sources of biotin. So eating eggs nourishes you from the inside out, while applying them topically gives an instant beauty boost. In modern skincare, we spend thousands on serums and treatments, forgetting that a humble egg in the kitchen can rival many beauty products. Truly, it's both a food and a natural cosmetic. Benefit 7. Strong bones and teeth. Most of us associate bones with calcium, but calcium is useless without vitamin D, the key that unlocks it. Here's where eggs shine. They're one of the few natural foods containing vitamin D, along with phosphorus and high-quality protein. In countries where sunlight is limited, vitamin D deficiency is common. This leads to fragile bones, weak teeth, and higher risk of fractures. Eggs quietly fill that gap. For children, they support growth. For adults, they maintain strength. For seniors, they prevent osteoporosis. There's also a fascinating historical note. During wartime food shortages, governments encouraged families to eat eggs to prevent rickets, a bone-weakening disease caused by vitamin D deficiency. That shows how much value has always been placed on this small shell. So, whether you're young or old, eating eggs is like giving your skeleton quiet protection every single day. Benefit 8. Supports immunity. Think of your immune system as a castle wall. To defend against invaders, you need strong bricks, vigilant guards, and repair tools. Eggs provide all three. They're rich in vitamins A, D, B12, selenium, and zinc, all crucial for producing white blood cells and antibodies. Vitamin D reduces inflammation and strengthens the immune response. Selenium and zinc act as antioxidants, protecting cells from damage. No wonder eggs are part of traditional healing foods. In Chinese medicine, egg soup is given to the weak. In South Asia, and a halwa or soft-boiled eggs are fed to patients. Even today, doctors often recommend boiled eggs after surgery because they're gentle on the stomach yet nutrient-dense. So when you eat an egg, you're not just fueling your body, you're arming your defenses. Benefit 9. Pregnancy and child development. For mothers-to-be, eggs are a lifesaver. The choline, folate, protein, and vitamin B12 inside an egg support the baby's brain and nervous system, while also keeping the mother strong. Choline, especially, is critical for fetal brain development and memory. Studies from Cornell University show that higher maternal choline intake leads to babies with improved cognitive function. Folate prevents birth defects, while protein supports growth. In many developing countries where supplements are too expensive, eggs are the most affordable prenatal superfood. 1 or 2 eggs a day can bridge serious nutritional gaps. And for breastfeeding mothers, eggs continue to provide nutrients that enrich breast milk. In every sense, eggs nourish 2 lives at once, mother and child. Benefit 10. Affordable superfood, expanded, 2 to 3 minutes. Superfoods are often marketed as exotic, rare, and expensive chia seeds from Mexico, goji berries from Tibet, spirulina from lakes. But the truth is, one of the world's most complete superfoods is sitting in your local grocery store, costing just a few coins, the egg. For the price of 1 egg, you get protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats. No imported packaging, no fancy names. Just a simple, accessible food that nourishes everyone from rich to poor, from children to elders. Historically, eggs have been survival food. Soldiers carried them during wars. Explorers took them on long voyages. Even astronauts have carried powdered eggs into space. Why? Because they're compact, reliable, and nutrient-dense. So next time someone says superfood, remember, the egg may not be exotic, but it's extraordinary. Benefit 11. Heart and blood vessel flexibility. Beyond cholesterol myths, eggs actually improve endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to expand and contract properly. This is crucial for healthy blood pressure and circulation. The omega-3 enriched eggs available in some countries provide even more benefit by improving triglyceride levels. In fact, people who eat such eggs show improved blood lipid profiles, reducing risks of stroke and heart attack. It's ironic, the food once feared for heart health is now proven to quietly protect it. Benefit 12. Eye, skin and cell repair with antioxidants. Eggs are also packed with antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, selenium, and vitamin E. These don't just help your eyes, they protect your skin, slow aging, and repair cell damage caused by stress, pollution, and poor lifestyle habits. Studies show that antioxidants in eggs reduce oxidative stress, the root of many chronic diseases. That's why people who eat eggs regularly often report better energy and improved skin health over time. In a world full of oxidative stress, screens, junk food, toxins, eggs act like a natural cell repair kit you can eat every day. Safety and precautions. Of course, like all foods, eggs have some precautions. Always cook eggs properly to avoid salmonella. For most people, 1 to 2 eggs a day is safe. But if you have very high cholesterol or a genetic condition like familial hypercholesterolemia, consult your doctor. And of course, people with egg allergies should avoid them. Simple egg recipes. Morning power, 2 boiled eggs with black pepper and lemon. Energy drink, blend 1 boiled egg with warm milk, honey, and cinnamon, an old strength-building tonic. Beauty mask, apply egg white to oily skin for tightening, yolk to dry skin for nourishment. Protein snack, egg salad with olive oil, cucumber, and tomato. Simple, effective, and easy for anyone to try. And there you have it, the incredible egg. From repairing muscles to protecting eyes, from boosting brain function to supporting new life, this small shell is a treasure chest of nutrition. So tomorrow morning, when you crack open an egg, pause for a second. Remember, you're not just making breakfast. You're holding life, strength, and nourishment in your hand. Thank you for joining me on Home Cooking and Home Remedies. If this episode inspired you, share it with someone who loves eggs, or someone who avoids them. And don't forget to subscribe for more journeys where tradition meets science.